Priyam, please to stay on with us. We listen into the Delhi government's first reaction that is now coming in. Here is the Delhi Mantri Atishi, who has been saying that they are in constant touch with the Delhi police over these several schools that have now received this bomb threat early this morning. Aditi, what is the Delhi Mantri saying?
Well, rightly said, Amita. The Delhi government has assured that there is no need to panic. The schools are being evacuated. Delhi police is doing its job and the email is being probed. That's what the Delhi government is saying, that there is no need to panic. The situation is being handled carefully. And Delhi Minister Atishi has also reiterated the same. She says some schools have received bomb threats today morning. Students have been evacuated and those premises are being searched by Delhi police. So far, nothing has been found in any of the schools. We are in constant touch with the police, and the schools would request parents and citizens not to panic. School authorities will be in touch with parents wherever needed. So, much relief, a big statement coming in from the Delhi government. They're saying there is no need to panic. We are handling the situation.
Well, that's the assurance coming in from the Delhi government side there. Let me go across now to Sabyasachi as well. Akansha continues to be with us. Priyank also continues to be with us, because we are looking at mainly Sabyasachi private schools that have now received this threat. Of course, the number that has been steadily increasing. First, it was being reported that a few schools in Delhi, thereafter the number went up and locations have also changed to even Noida.
Well, absolutely. Earlier in the day, around 5 to 6 schools in the Delhi NCR region had received the threat email. But right now, over 50 schools across the National Capital Region, mostly private schools, have received the threat email. Now, the Delhi police have also informed about this to the central agencies, and the investigation right now is underway to track down the source of the email as soon as possible. Because in some of the school, we are seeing that there is a panic-like situation. Meanwhile, in some of the schools, the Delhi police is still present inside the school premises. The search operations are still being carried out. The bomb disposal squad has been called in, along with the dog squad. The parents have been called in to take back home their children. So clearly there has been some panic situation, and we are seeing that Delhi police time and again has been asking the parents not to panic, because they are following the SOPs, they are following the procedures. The thorough checkup of entire corridor of the school premises are being carried out not only once but twice, and the Delhi police is making sure that no suspicious object is being found. And the first priority of the police is to make sure that the children are safe, the children are back home, after which they can track down the source of the email, they can track down the IP address through which these emails